Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. This time around, I'll be showing you guys how to go about claiming your Tori rewards and also restaking, and also how to redelegate, undelegate, everything you need to know about the staking. So I noticed a lot of people have been finding it hard to claim their rewards. They don't know how to go about it, so that's why I'm doing this video. So just pay attention, just watch how I go about this. So this is once you come to your osmosis. Osmosis is not what you actually need when you claim. You don't really have anything to do with osmosis when you claim a reward. Where you need to go is ping. That's their explorer, explorer.territory.com. As you've seen here, here I know this is. I think this should have the first thing you need to do is to go to your dashboard. I don't know how yours is at the moment, but let me just go back here. Let me show the main page you might be seeing. Okay, let's say for example, this is what you're seeing. This is what you're seeing on your what's it called, on your dashboard, on your account. Maybe on your, if you're using mobile phone or you're using PC, maybe you're on this page, for example. So here, if this is what you, that's why I said you should try to enable most of these different projects, different chains. Just put them here so that anyone you need, you can even access most of them from here. So now once you have it here like this, the first thing you need to do, if you don't know how to get here, just click on this where your name is. That's where your wallet name is. Just click on it to bring you here. Once it brings you here, you open your territory. That's the token we are concerned about right now, because that's the basic of the video. So here, just click on this drop down arrow, then click on these details you're seeing here. Click on details. So as you can see, I'm the biggest fuck up on this story. I was the one that dropped the update, but the day I was supposed to buy, I slept off. That's why you're seeing just little story there. And I've decided not to add more because it's so painful for me to buy when it's now so pumped, because it's so annoying. So now what you need to do right now, guys. Okay, this was what I staked on crypto crew validator IBC gang. So here, this is it. So I now a lot of you are wondering, okay, how do I claim my rewards? So what I need you to, you can, as you can see here, this is the reward I have. This is the token. That's the amount of Tori I have. So here, you see, this is delegate. That's for those who want to delegate now. If you check, I need us to check our balance first so that you will know the difference. So here you see the balance I have in this wallet is 0.5. So the reward I have is 0.099382. So now, as you can see all of them now. So you can see everything here. I just need you to pay attention. It's very, very easy. So what you need to do right here is, you see this withdraw rewards? That is where you get access to your reward. Just click on withdraw rewards. If you're using a mobile phone and maybe everything is not so clear to you, you click on that your three dotted line to show the menu, then let it use desktop version. Use desktop version so that you can see everything plainly. So here, this is your address. Automatically it will be there. You can't change it. Then you click on send. You click on send. Once you click on send, it will pop up for you to approve on Kepler. So you click on approve. So that means I'm sending my reward to my main territory wallet. So as you can see now, once it's completed, come here. Now come to my main balance. You can see earlier my balance was 0.5 something. Then rewards was 0.00. It's because I've claimed. That's why you're seeing 0.000. And you can see that there's no rewards now because I've sent all the reward I have left to my balance. So as you can see now, my balance has increased. My balance is now from 0.5 to 0.09. It's now 0.637 or thereabout. So that's how to go about withdrawing your claiming your reward. That's how you claim your reward. Then after claiming your reward now, the next thing you need to do, I know some of you want to withdraw your reward, or some of you want to like delegate your reward again. So it is what you need. Since it is in your balance now, click on delegate. This is the first one, is delegate. Click on delegate. So you can see this is the balance now. So now the only issue is just that when imputing, it's not really an issue. It's just that you have to be doing some things manually. So on Kepler, you can click on max if you want, but for this one, I won't advise you even click on max because of you will need gas fee. And no matter how low their gas fee is, if your balance is zero, then there is no way you can get gas fee. So instead of begging for gas fee or trying to have to buy another one, so it's better you just always keep some amount. And that's a 0. Let me just use for example 0.3. If I use 0.3, then I'll click send. You see, this is the validator. So it depends on your own validator. I don't know which validator you're using, but my own validator, this is the validator I picked. But for example, if you just click send, it will add to what you have in this validator. But if you want to pick a different validator now, maybe for example, you want to like go on having different validator. You don't want to stake everything on just one validator. You can go to staking, look for a different validator again, search for another validator, maybe for example orbital apes, and just decide to go to orbital apes. Just go for orbital apes, then click delegate. So once you click delegate, you can see the balance is here. I'll just say for example 0.3. I just put 0.3 to orbital apes and send. So this 0.3 is what I'll not be having on orbital apes. I just hope you guys understand. I believe it's so straightforward. You should understand what this means. So that's how to delegate to a new validator. So for the other one, earlier one that we were on, I want to show you. Just click on my accounts here. After clicking, then you go back, then you go down, click on the drop down arrow, click on details. So here, for those who might be thinking of what is it called? For example, you want to move money from territory to Osmosis so that you can sell it. Maybe you want to convert your money back to USDC, Osmosis, or anything. All you need to do is just come here. Just click on deposits. So you are depositing Tori. Tori. Just click on Tori. Click on next. So now, from Tori now, this Osmosis is already connected. All these your wallets are interconnected. So now you can just go. You can see this is the balance I have left on Tori. It's 0.6374. If you check here, you see that it's the same 0.637439. So once I click on deposits now, for example, if I just put 0.6, I can now move it from Tori to Osmosis now. So once you move it from Tori to Osmosis, you will see that on Osmosis the balance will drop here. So once it drops here, when you have the Tori here now, you can just go to swap. So once you go to swap, you can just swap your Tori. This is Tori to USDC. Then your USDC, you can swap it to USDC or Atom or any. It depends on the exchange you want to use. If you have Osmosis on the exchange you want to send your funds to, like MEXC. Osmosis is on MEXC, so you can move to Osmosis or you can move to Atom. So once you move to Atom, you can even send to Binance if you like, because Atom is already on Binance. So this is Atom. So once you swap it there, you can move. You can just, after swapping, what you just need to do is you now go to your assets now. Since you want to withdraw from Osmosis here, once you click on, for example, you want to withdraw Atom. It's just that I don't have any available, but what you need to do is click on withdraw, go to next. So now once you click, if it is Atom you selected, you have to move it from Osmosis network back to Atom first. Then after moving from Osmosis to Atom, so you now go to your Atom chain on Kepler. You can just go and use Kepler, but you can go and use Kepler, or if you have Kepler, just come to Osmosis here. Instead of moving to Atom chain, you can just come here. That's if you want to send Osmosis directly. What you need to do is just come here, click on send. Once you click on send, you come here down, you put the amount you're sending, which is maybe 1 or something there. Any amount you're sending, you put 1. Then the address, that's the address from, this is it. You copy it from MEXC where you have Osmosis. Make sure they have the same network. The same network you're sending from and the same network you're sending to, they should be the same. So once you do that, you receive it in your exchange. That's all. So for here, about this, that's if you are you are not, if you're not taking your reward, you want to take your reward out of territory and put it and send it to exchange. That's what you do. That's for, I'm just showing you everything you might need to know so that you don't keep get wondering. It's not when you now need it that you now have to start learning. So here now, after that, so for those who want to redelegate, maybe for example, you are no more interested in crypto crew validator. For example, I can just decide to say, okay, let me redelegate from, this is crypto crew I have. I can now redelegate to, for example, let's say orbital apes. Orbital, I can decide to redelegate to orbital apes. So now, how many is the total I'm having? 116. I can say 116. Once I click send like this, for example, once I click send, redelegate, then I'll approve. And their transaction, to be very honest, it's not bad. The speed is not, is very fast. So here you can see I've already redelegated to orbital apes from crypto crew. So you can see now what I have is orbital apes. So now here I have unbond. You see this unbond, their unbond period, it was earlier 21 days, but now unbonding has been made 14 days. The proposal has been approved. People voted yes for it to move to 14 days. So Rebus is the only one I think that still run 21 days for now, for among the ones I am familiar with. So unbonding simply means what you delegate, you want to undelegate it. You are no more interested in the delegation. You remove it so that you can have access to it and send it anywhere you want to send it. But note, it will take you 14 days for you to be able to access this thing, and within that period of 14 days of unbonding, you will not be getting any reward until that 14 days. When that 14 days is complete, then you can take your money with no reward for that 14 days. So that's just what you need to know, that, because don't think maybe yeah, within the 14 days I will be taking the profit, I will be taking the reward while they unbond. No, you will not get any reward as long as you've clicked, even if you click it by mistake. I've made that mistake before. I made it twice. So sometimes if you don't make some mistake, you will not learn. But this one, since you happen to find someone that has made the mistake and I'm now telling you not to make the same mistake. So that's just all I need to tell you. So that's how to go about this. And I believe this should go a long way to help you. I know some people will say my videos are getting too long, but I prefer to make a long video for everyone to understand than making a short video that you end up not really getting anything. So what I will just urge you guys to just do in supporting me is just click on that subscribe button if you're yet to. Please don't be stingy. Please like the video, and if you have any question or anything, drop it in the comment section. I will always respond to your comment. And don't forget to share with your friends and family so that they can also benefit from this video. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.